operational guidelines for implementation of Model Solar Village scheme. Why it is in the news? The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has issued operational guidelines for the implementation of under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. The center recently allocated rupees 800 crore for the same. About PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, its description: to provide 300 units of free electricity per month to beneficiaries through an investment of 75,000 crore. Its deadline extended the deadline from 2022 to 2026. Announcement under it. Initially announced in an interim budget 2024-25 speech by the finance minister about its target. Aim to light up 1 crore households, urban local bodies and panchayats, incentivized to promote rooftop solar system. Features of the Model Solar Village initiative: comprehensive solarization, solarize all households and public areas with home lighting, water systems, pumps and street lights. 6. To create one model solar village per district. Implementing agency: State Renewable Energy Development Agency or another entity nominated by the state or UT government will implement the scheme. 24/7 solar powered village. Develop villages powered entirely by solar energy, promoting self-reliance in meeting energy needs. Central financial assistance: rupees 1 crore grant per village based on a detailed project report by the implementing agency. Eligibility criteria: revenue village with a population over 5,000 or 2,000 in a special category, states based on installed renewable energy capacity, overseen by the district level committee DLC, means 6 months after the declaration. Fund disbursement: 40% on the award of the works, 40% after completion, 20% after 6 months of operation.